Hi guys, how's it going? I'm just going to go through the breakdown of some charts to show you some analysis of pairs that I've done and also some trades. I'm going to go ahead, let's get started. First trade of the day was Euro GBP. So remember, we were starting the daily, we trapped the price between two levels. You'll then go on to H4, which I have done. So you've got a high low here that's marked in yellow. You've got another low here marked in another yellow zone, and then you go on to H1. This is analysis that I use when I put my laptop on the side and I just want to see where the chart is, where price is, and see if I can enter. So as you can see here, there was a nice bearish candle here at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Just forgot to highlight it, and then I entered on M15. As you can see, the trade is still running. But to be honest, I'll probably close it because it's past 5 o'clock. I then went into M15 time frame. I think I entered on this candle here, and I had my stop loss just just above it. So what's that? 4 pip stop loss. Not bad. Very tight stop loss. Price does retrace, I'll only lose 4 pips, but price is, I had a target of 15 pips, but to be honest, because it's past 5 o'clock, London session is finished, I'll probably close a trade with 8 pips profit. So that was one trade of the day that was taken. Let's see what else I took a trade on. Euro USD. This is a trade that I had yesterday and Monday. Price was a bit dead, to be honest. It was in a rally, so I just closed it at 5 o'clock. But as you can see, even if I stayed in the trade, it would hit stop loss. So I think I closed it in like break even or whatever. Can't even remember now. But I didn't even include this in my analysis, so I'll delete that. But price is still correct. As you can see, I entered here, where price is now bullish. It's forming a higher high. Well, it's breached the resistance, now acting as support. And I entered here, and price just in a, what do you call it? Forgot what you call it now. Consolidation. It was just in a range. As you can see, I entered here. Price will then respect this as support before it goes up, which it has, and it's respecting the trend line as well, and it'll continue to go up to around here. So we can expect price to be here in the next day or two. Let's see, GBP USD. This is another trade that I took. This was Tuesday, 10 o'clock in the morning. Let's have a look. How did I do this trade? Remember, you want to draw your daily levels, your daily zones. I chose this as a daily zone. It's a most recent higher high, and this is a most recent higher low. Then we want to go ahead and trap the price further. I then went on to the H4 time frame, and I used this zone here, which is the most recent higher low, and the most recent higher high, which is this one here. So we trap the price further. Then we'll go on to the H1 time frame, and we'll trap it even more. So as you can see, I've used this level here, which is also a H4. Drag that down, and this one here, which is also a H1. So, and then you can use your Fibonacci tool. So this one here, where is it? Fibonacci tool. So yesterday's analysis, you do it on the night before. So before the session opened last night around 10 o'clock, I mark these charts as I do now. So high, 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 low, most recent high, low, drag it to the higher high, which is this one here. So then, you know, if price reaches 0, it can retrace here, which it has. Look at that. Let me just zoom in. Price is retraced around this level here. This is why the Fibonacci tool is really good. So even though I've got my 2 support and resistance levels, if price reaches this level, which it has, it can retrace to, obviously this would be a weak retracement, 38.2. This would be a better one at 50%. This is even better, and obviously the best one is 78.6%, but obviously it can go all the way down to 100. But in this case, you can see that it respected the 61.8 once, twice, and 3 times. And it's breached it, and it's gone down to here, 78.6. But you can use this as a level as well, and you can use it as TP, but I've got rid of that. I just like my charts 2 levels, just nice and clean, because I've got fib here, so I don't need a level there. I then went on to the M15 time frame. So price was reaching this level here, 0%. Well, this is Mondays, and then price opened here, and then you've got your London session open at 8 o'clock. This would have been a good candle to enter on. Let's go to M15 time frame. So this is the entry time frame. Let's have a look. This would have been a perfect candle to enter on. That was at 8:45. You could have entered here as well. What time is that? That's at 7:45, 7:30. So that would have been a good candle. But the one I entered on is this one here. Massive bearish engulfing candle. I entered on here, around there, just when it starts, just when candle opens. And then I had my target profit of here. And look at that. My target profit is here, the H1 level, which is the blue zone. As you can see, price has just hit it. Just hit it. If I had it here, it wouldn't have hit. So I always have it just above the level, just to make sure if price does what it does, if there's a large candle wick, then price would hit my target profit and close. So as you can see on this candle, this one here, M15, price was bearish. It formed a higher low. Price hit the wick, candle wick. Buyers have pushed the price up. Sellers have unable to push the price down. So there's a massive wick, and then it's forming a high low, and price is bullish and gone straight up. So as you can see, because the price was here, hit my target profit, and I made 27 pips. So you traded £1 a pip, would have been £270, which would have been really good. If you traded £10 a pip, which is what you would do if you had a 100 grand account, you would have made £2,700 on this trade. So yeah, price hit my TP and banked for the day, and that's my analysis on GBP USD. See what else I did today. EJ, I had this trade. I'm just gonna close it now because it's nowhere near where I wanted it to be. So remember, trap the price between your 2 daily levels. This is the most recent higher low, and that's the most recent higher high. H4 time frame, do the same again. Trap the price between 2 levels, so you know where price is going to go. Why 2 levels? Why am I keep saying price between 2 levels? Well, this is why. Because price moves between support and resistance. So if you know exactly where support and resistance are, you can know where you can expect price to go. So I'm just going to find the brush. There it is. You can expect price to go like this between support and resistance. If it breaches, it'll retest it and go down. If it breaches the resistance, it'll act as support and go up. So always trap it between 2 levels, which I've done. And then I went on to H1. As you can see, this is the most recent high low, higher high. This is Monday's price action. So what I've done is I've got a level here, which is the most recent one. H1 is in blue, and this one here, H1 is in blue. Then you use this tool here, Fibonacci tool. This is to show you where price can go if it breaches, or where it can retrace to if it doesn't. So price was here on Monday, finished here. Now this is Tuesday, so this is the levels that I'm going to expect it. So remember, you only trade near the levels, the high probability winning areas. So if price is near this area, look for a sell. If it's near this, it's near a buy. So let me just tidy this daily level up. So it's made a new daily, so push that a bit higher. So on the blue, on the weekly, on the daily, let me just put that there. On the H1, you can see prices nearer here or there, but what I do is I took a trade in the middle. It's not a good trade. I took it here. I think it was this one actually. I haven't highlighted the candles today, but I'll do that now. Took an entry in this candle. This is a very bad trade. Why? Because it's not near support and it's not near resistance. I took a sell trade here. Obviously you want it to be here. So if price does retrace, you know it's unlikely to hit breach beyond it, but if it does, you've got your stop loss just above the resistance. Here it's It's not a good trade, but I entered it anyway. I thought, you know what, risk to reward. It's 2.2, 24 pip loss and 53 pip win. As you can see, I'm in a loss at the moment. I'm just going to close the trade today because we're past 5 o'clock. I'm in an 8 pip loss for this one at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and close the trade. But my stop loss is usually, I can leave it open for tonight, but as I can see, price doesn't look to be going bearish down. It doesn't look to be going down, to be honest. Where it is, it seems though it's going to look up. So to preserve my capital, instead of it hitting 24 pips, I'd rather just close the trade and lose 8 pips. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So that's a loss on EJ today. USD card, here's another loss. So show you, I think I entered on this candle here. Yeah, it was this one here. What time's that? 3 o'clock in the morning. Obviously you can wait till London session. I thought, you know what, I was awake, I thought I'd enter a trade. Unfortunately, price did go in my direction, but as you can see, price is retracing it, stop loss. So this was another bad trade. I should have waited when it's close to the level. See, now it's in a good place. It's close to the level, but the way I took it was not good. So today, four trades altogether, 2 winning trades, a win on GEG, a win on GU, and obviously a loss on EJ and UC. But obviously I've made more pips than I've lost. I've still come out to be profitable. This is how you trade, guys. That's my analysis done for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Like, share and subscribe. I'll probably only trade till Thursday today because Friday is the 1st of March and it's NFP. I don't really like to trade non-farm payroll. It can be quite volatile. So I'll probably make another 2 videos this week and then we'll take it on from next month. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the session. More to come. Peace.